In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost your website's performance by implementing a few essential optimizations. Improving site speed is crucial for retaining visitors and enhancing user experience, so let's dive into the steps you can take to make your website faster. First, let's talk about enabling gzip compression in hPanel. This is a significant step because gzip compression dramatically reduces the size of your files, which means faster loading times for your visitors. To get started, log into your hPanel account. Once you're in, head over to the Advanced section and find the gzip compression option. With just a click, you can switch it on. This will compress your website's files before they're sent to the user's browser, optimizing bandwidth and improving load speed significantly. Next on our list is optimizing images using compression tools. Large uncompressed images are often the biggest culprits of slow websites. By compressing these images, you make them smaller in size without sacrificing quality. You can do this using various online tools like TinyPNG or JPEG Compressor. Upload your images to these platforms, and they will handle the compression for you, retaining the same quality while reducing the file size. Once your images are optimized, replace the old ones on your website with these new compressed files. Now let's move on to caching, another critical factor in improving site speed. Caching stores copies of your web pages in a visitor's browser so they can be loaded faster on subsequent visits. In hPanel, you can easily enable caching by navigating to the Speed section and activating the Cache option. If you prefer using a caching plugin, there are several popular options like Lightspeed Cache or WP Super Cache. These plugins offer various settings to further fine-tune your site's performance, ensuring that returning visitors experience faster load times. Minifying CSS and JavaScript files is another useful technique to enhance performance. This process removes unnecessary characters like white space and comments from your code, ensuring that files are lighter and quicker for browsers to download. Many caching plugins also include features for minifying CSS and JavaScript. If you're not using a plugin, you can utilize online tools such as CSS Nano or Uglify.js to manually minify your files. Once minimized, be sure to replace your existing files with these optimized versions to see the improvements. Finally, it's crucial to test your site speed using a tool like Google PageSpeed Insights. This website provides invaluable data on how your site performs and suggests specific improvements you can make. Simply enter your website's URL, let the tool analyze your page, and explore the detailed report. This assessment offers key insights into both desktop and mobile performance, helping you identify what still needs optimization. By following these steps, you'll set yourself up for a faster, more efficient website that offers visitors a seamless experience. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope these tips help you achieve the performance boost your site needs.